Let's learn English through short holiday conversations with vocabulary and listening questions. Tour schedule.
Could you please tell me the schedule for today's tour?
Certainly. We will start with the Historical Museum at 9 a.m.
How long will we spend there?
About an hour and a half.
What is next on the schedule?
After that, we'll visit the Old Town and have lunch around noon.
Sounds good. Will there be free time to explore?
Yes, there will be a short break in the afternoon.
Great. Is transportation provided between locations?
Yes, we will travel by bus.
Perfect. Can you tell me when the tour ends?
We should finish around 5 p.m.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to it.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Schedule. A plan of activities with times. Transportation. Means of travel from one place to another. Break. A short rest during activities. Your listening question is: what is the first place they will visit? Answer: they will visit the Historical Museum first. Museum ticket.
Hello, I'd like to know the ticket price for the museum.
Hello, the ticket costs $15 for adults and $10 for students.
Are there any discounts for groups?
Yes, groups of 10 or more get a 20% discount.
What time does the museum open?
We open at 9 a.m. and close at 6 p.m. every day.
Is the museum open on public holidays?
Yes, except on Christmas Day.
Can I buy tickets online?
Yes, you can buy tickets on our website.
That's convenient. Thank you for the information.
You too.
I will. Have a nice day.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Ticket. A pass to enter a place or event. Discount. A reduction in price. Public holiday. A day off recognized by the government. Your listening question is: what is the ticket price for adults? Answer: the ticket price for adults is $15. Shopping for clothes.
I think we should check the new collection at that store.
Yes, I need some new clothes for the summer.
Do you prefer casual or formal wear?
Mostly casual. I want something comfortable.
There are some nice dresses over there.
Let's try them on. Do they have my size?
I believe so. The sizes are quite varied.
I like this one. What do you think?
It looks great on you.
Should we buy matching accessories too?
That's a good idea. Let's see what they have.
Shopping together is so much fun.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Collection. A group of clothes released by a store or brand. Casual. Comfortable and informal clothes. Accessories. Items like jewelry, bags, or hats that complete an outfit. Your listening question is: what kind of clothes does the younger sister want? Answer: she wants casual and comfortable clothes. Buying bus tickets.
We need to buy tickets for the bus to the city.
How much does a ticket cost?
It's $2.50 for one way.
Can I buy a round-trip ticket?
Yes, that's cheaper than 2 single tickets.
Where can we buy the tickets?
There's a ticket booth over there.
Do we need exact change?
Yeah, it's better to have exact money to avoid delays.
What time does the next bus arrive?
It should come in about 10 minutes.
Great! Let's buy the tickets now.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Delay. A time when something is late or slowed down. Round trip. Going to a place and returning back. Ticket booth. A place where you buy tickets. Your listening question is: where do they buy the bus tickets? Answer: they buy the tickets at the ticket booth. Buying souvenirs.
I want to buy some souvenirs for our friends.
That's a good idea. What kind of gifts do you want?
Maybe keychains or magnets.
Those are popular and easy to carry.
Do you like this postcard?
Yes, it shows the city's famous landmarks.
Should we buy some local snacks too?
Sure, people love tasting local food.
How much is this souvenir box?
It costs $15.
Let's buy 3 boxes to share with everyone.
Good plan. I'll pay at the counter.
Thank you. Shopping is fun.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Souvenir. A gift to remember a place or event. Keychain. A small ring to hold keys. Landmark. A famous or important building or place. Your listening question is: what souvenirs do they decide to buy? Answer. They decide to buy keychains, magnets, postcards, and local snacks. Travel plans for the next day.
Have you thought about what we will do tomorrow?
Yes, I want to visit the old town and try some local food.
That sounds interesting. How will we get there?
We can take the bus. It's cheap and fast.
What time should we leave?
Maybe around 9 a.m. after breakfast.
Good idea. Should we bring a map?
Yes, and also some water and snacks.
Do you want to visit any museums?
I would love to see the art museum.
Okay, we can plan the route after breakfast.
Perfect. I'm excited for the trip.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Art museum. A place where artworks are displayed. Route. The way or path to go somewhere. Snacks. Small amounts of food to eat between meals. Your listening question is: what time do they plan to leave tomorrow? Answer. They plan to leave around 9 a.m. after breakfast. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.